12 profitable business ideas with low investment. Being your own boss has never looked better, so it makes sense that there's been a post-pandemic business boom of people starting side hustles. And if you want to create a business to change your lifestyle and finances, you may not have a ton of cash to invest in the venture. But that doesn't mean you don't have options, because this video will make things so much easier for you. So, let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about 12 profitable business ideas with low investment. If you want to find out more about it, then stay with us until the end of the video. Also, before we start the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos. And let's get started. If you have been asking yourself what business to start, then this list is for you. According to small business statistics, one of the biggest motivations for opening your own business is being your own boss. Owning a business gives you the freedom to work when, where, or how you want. Want to work at a beach or your grandmother's house? Go ahead. No one is going to stop or question you. This is the dream life many people hope to live one day. And thanks to some great business ideas, achieving that lifestyle is well within your reach. So let's take a look at the list of business ideas that'll make you money. Number 1. Dropshipping. Are you looking to sell products online but don't have the money to buy and store inventory? Consider dropshipping. Dropshipping is an e-commerce business model in which you don't have to manage any physical products. All you have to do is set up an online store and partner with suppliers who are ready to store, package, and ship orders to your customers. There's no need to spend hours on product research because you can use dropshipping apps like Automizely to find awesome products to sell. The biggest reason people are often drawn to dropshipping is that you don't have to hold inventory. However, if holding inventory isn't an issue, maybe there's enough room in that spare closet. You can consider sourcing products wholesale. Online marketplaces like Handshake enable small business owners to find unique, high-quality products and build long-lasting relationships with suppliers. So it's worth checking out as a supplement to dropshipping if you already know what you want to sell. Number 2. Print on demand. If you're looking for proven business ideas to execute, try print on demand. Print on demand, or POD, is when you sell your own customized designs on items like phone cases, mugs, and t-shirts, but you don't actually print the artwork. Instead, you collaborate with suppliers who print your design on the products. They even package and ship the item to your customer, so you don't have to worry about logistics. Also, you only pay once you have sold the products. No sales equals no costs. And one of the quickest ways to get started is to create a Shopify store and install a POD app like Printify. In terms of marketing, partnering with Instagram influencers to promote your POD items is an effective way to reach audiences. Number 3. Translation. Multilingual people are always in demand, so if you can speak 2 or more languages, consider starting a small business where you can monetize those skills. You can look for clients on Upwork or FlexJobs and slowly build your portfolio. As you work successfully with more and more companies, you can hire more translators to specialize in other languages to take things off your plate. It's also a good idea to market your business on social media websites, as it can help you reach a wider audience. Got only a few hours to spare each day? Translation is one of the best side business ideas to pursue, as it lets you schedule your clients based on when you are available to work. Number 4. Website flipping. Website flipping is among the new business ideas that have gotten everyone from work-at-home parents to recent graduates excited. It involves buying an already running website, improving its design and content, and then selling it for a profit. There are quite a few places where you can buy and sell websites to earn a profit. Shopify's marketplace, Exchange for example, allows you to buy e-commerce websites that can further improve via content marketing, SEO, and other tactics. Once your site begins to generate more revenue than when you acquired it, you can list it for sale on the marketplace. Number 5. Home-based catering. If you have a knack for cooking and see it as a creative outlet, you can make a decent income by opening a home-based catering business. The initial investment depends on how big you want the setup to be. For example, if you start with smaller events, then you can manage on your own. You should be able to start your business for less. Most home-based caterers start by creating a website, experimenting with local food markets, or joining platforms that allow cooking experts to squeeze some profit from their culinary skills. Number 6. Dog walking. It can be difficult to keep up with furry friends, particularly high-energy breeds with limited outdoor access. As a professional dog walker, you'll be helping pet owners in the community keep their dogs happy, healthy, and well-exercised. Dog walking requires no initial investment other than marketing and business liability insurance. This will protect you in case of accidents, bites, or an unexpected lawsuit. It's a good idea to charge prices that reflect your insurance costs, with the average range between $30 to $60 an hour. In addition, you can establish a presence for your dog walking business on a number of platforms, including Wag, Rover, and Care.com. Offer promotions for new clients, and build a positive reputation by requesting reviews from those you've worked with in the past. Number 7. Virtual assistants. One of the most successful business ideas is to offer virtual assistant services. Everyone from large enterprises to solopreneurs require help with the day-to-day management of their business. You can use your excellent organizational skills to take some weight off their shoulders. Of course, you'll get paid for the time and effort you put into answering emails, scheduling meetings, and performing other administrative duties. You can land your first few clients by responding to listings on platforms like FreeUp, People Per Hour, or Virtual Assistant Jobs. This is a proven business model, as people are always looking for efficient virtual assistants. Number 8. Personal shopping. Do you often get praised for your eye for fashion trends? Are you someone whose friends and family come to for clothing advice? Personal shopping can be a business that builds on those skills. Personal shoppers find clothes items for clients who don't have time to shop for themselves. Duties involve evaluating your client's wardrobe, visiting websites, and picking items that will suit them. There are all kinds of products on different online clothing boutiques, so you don't necessarily have to shop offline to get this business started. Plus, you don't need to hold any special certification or degree to become a personal shopper. If your interests lie in business ideas and low investment, personal shopping might be the ideal route to consider. Number 9. Car detailing. Contrary to popular belief, it's entirely possible to make car detailing a full-time business. The average profit of car detailing is anywhere from $50 to $400 per vehicle, meaning you can make a healthy profit if you find consistent clients. The key to success in the car detailing business is marketing. You'll need to spread the word about your service through a website or social media platform and encourage regular reviews as well. Try to offer discounts for new clients or package deals for those who commit to multiple sessions. All you need to get started are cleaning supplies and a driveway. You may consider getting certified through IDA or taking a craftsmanship seminar to enhance your skills. Number 10. Online tutoring. If you're an expert in art, math, or another subject, you can start the business of online tutoring. An essential prerequisite is having a bachelor's degree in the subject you intend to teach. You can find online tutoring clients on sites like Schooly and Tutor.com. For the best results, always teach subjects that relate to your area of expertise, because you'll be able to share your skills and constructive knowledge to enhance your students' own knowledge. You can deliver lectures and interact with your students over Zoom, making online tutoring one of the easiest online businesses you can start. Number 11. Greeting cards. Greeting cards are always in style, so if you have a good eye for design or just love showcasing your artwork on physical items, this is one of the best creative business ideas for you. Before you can start looking for clients, you'll need to have a handful of designs ready to go. Tools like Photoshop and Canva make it easy to create custom card designs. Additionally, you'll need to stock up on supplies required to create greeting cards. Pro tip: if you want to keep costs low, consider buying your supplies wholesale. Once you have the inventory, you can start generating revenue by marketing your business on Facebook, Etsy, and other similar platforms. Number 12. Content writing. Almost every company with a web presence needs help creating content for product pages, blogs, etc. As such, starting a content writing or copywriting company could be one of the most profitable business ideas for you. Popular websites for finding those first few customers include Remote.co, ProBlogger, and Blogging Pro. You can also join content writing groups on Facebook to get more exposure for your business. To make a good impression on clients, consider offering keyword optimization or custom graphics as part of your services. And there you have it, a list of 12 small business ideas that'll make you money. To give yourself the best chance of success, focus on one idea at a time until you find one that aligns with your abilities. And this is it for today, guys. What are your thoughts on today's video? Which money-making idea did you like the most? Share with us in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of the latest updates. And thank you for watching.